So what is your association with Medimix soap?
So I have to tell you this, that Medimix was the first ever ad that I did in my career. This was years back. So when they came to me for being a brand ambassador, I was more than thrilled, because I think not just the association of so many years and life coming back to a circle, but I think they also believe in this one absolute amazing policy is that they used to make these soaps for workers.
These days आपने तो जाना सुना ही होगा हिंदी मराठी वर्सेस पर जो डिबेट चल रहा है, और आप उन अभिनेत्रियों में हैं कि सफलतापूर्वक हिंदी मराठी के साथ काम कर रही है, तो इस पर आपका क्या टेक है एंड व्हाट इज योर कंफर्ट जोन वर्किंग इन हिंदी और मराठी?
Now this is like you're asking me about my mother and a
Masi.
distant cousin. It's like that.
Hello, welcome viewers. I would like to welcome you in another exciting episode of Real Meets Real with darling of viewers, media and everyone in the industry, outside industry. She's so sweet, so charming and a wonderful person, and above that, a wonderful actress. You must have seen in the variety of roles. Now you would see in brand ambassador of Medimix. As you can see, she has a glowing skin. So let's see what she wants to say.
Oh, Bapre.
So Amruta, welcome you in
Thank
our
you.
show.
Thank you
so
so
what
much.
is your association with Medimix soap?
So I have to tell you this, that Medimix was the first ever ad that I did in my career. This was years back, and now it's like life has come back to a circle, because now they approach me as the brand ambassador. And Maharashtra being such a big market, and Medimix is literally a household name for all Maharashtrians, is what I feel. I mean, there are certain things that Maharashtrians and people outside Maharashtra also kind of associate, and we are so we associate so much with fragrance. So the moment Medimix agar aap bolte ho na, so you remember the fragrance. That is how potent, and
It's
that is
longer
how,
lasting.
yes, deep rooted Medimix is in households. So when they came to me for being a brand ambassador, I was more than thrilled, because I think not just the association of so many years and life coming back to a circle, but I think they also believe in this one absolute amazing policy is that simple and sweet is what your skin actually requires. मतलब पहले तो Medimix से एक green color का soap हुआ करता था, which had a very different kind of a fragrance. But today they have ventured into face washes, hand washes, body washes, glycerine soaps, and I think that is such an amazing upgrade for them also. So when they approached me, I think the whole idea about how Medimix started in the first place, that was more than 50 years back or something. And with what intention did they start? So there's an amazing story that HOM Rupa ji told me, that there was this amazing couple who's the karta dharta of this chola ill, and the husband wife, they used to make these soaps for workers basically, and they have made this soap, the Medimix soap, right in their household using 18 herbs, 18 Ayurvedic herbs, and that is how Medimix was born. And it is such a beautiful story for somebody. If a worker can use it, for their skin, and then their skin started becoming better, and of course then Medimix also evolved after that. But the whole thought about making the soap in the house with 18 jadi booties, I think that is such a noble thing to do. And they literally started this company with the thought of serving people, and today they are serving great standards about beauty. Matlab, they have not tweaked any formula. They are still absolutely loyal to the 18 herbs, but they have ventured into different arenas. Matlab, face wash hai, body wash hai, and everything. So for me, that legacy really matters a lot. That intention really matters a lot. And Ayurveda, I think, we all are seeing that every day. Makeup trends are changing every day, skin trends are changing, but I don't think people know a lot about Ayurveda. I don't think that they understand their own culture. I don't think that they understand how much powerful Ayurveda is and what wonders it can do to your skin inside out. So Medimix promises that the 18 jadi booties that are there in the Medimix soap, all you have to do is just be absolutely loyal to the product and see your skin going from nakhre wali to nikhar wali.
So, we would like to know कि what's your skin regime? I
Oh,
can
बाप रे.
see your skin is glowing.
Like I said, why I also accepted their offer is because Medimix talks a lot about simplicity. And trust me, with all the changing trends and serums and moisturizers and sunscreens and everything, I think what I have realized is that um, more simpler your skin routine is, more simpler and glowing and clear your skin is going to be. So for me, it is all about using a face wash and a moisturizer. That's about it. I use sunscreen when I'm shooting a lot in the sun, but otherwise I don't use sunscreen. Now people will, say, no, but sunscreen is a must and everything. But मतलब मुझे कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा सनस्क्रीन यूज करके या ना करके, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नॉट इन माय 20s, सो यू कैन सी दैट द स्किन मतलब है अच्छी है. अब बहुत अच्छी क्या होता है ना, there is no end to बहुत अच्छी, but I'm very satisfied with the way my skin looks. There are a lot of trends that people follow. There are a lot of things like injections and this and that which people follow. I don't really believe in them. I always believe that you should age gracefully, and if you're doing that, your skin, and if you're happy inside out, your skin is always going to show that to you. That's the thing.
That we can see in you. So, Amrita, let's talk about your career. It's been more than 15 years for your
Yes,
career?
more than 15 years.
More
Yes,
than
yes,
15
yes,
years.
yes.
तो कैसी रही करियर की यात्रा आपकी?
अभी तो चल ही रही है. मुझे नहीं लगता कि
And
इस
how far
करियर
you
में
content?
see content. I'm definitely content in terms of many things. I think coming to terms with where you are in your life and what you want to do. Again, there is no satisfaction that you can get here. There is no satisfaction of money, of work, because मतलब अगर आप सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो तो आप किसी में भी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो. आपके पास 4 गाड़ियां खड़ी है फिर भी आप सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो. अगर आप सेटिस्फाइड हो तो आप एक गाड़ी में भी खुश हो. एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट देयर इज नो लिमिट टू वेयर दिस करियर कैन टेक यू. And it's great. I mean, there are pros and cons of it. It's great. But I think with time I have realized the value of family, the value of giving yourself time, the value of literally loving yourself. And I think, taking care of yourself and accepting yourself, respecting yourself, be it skin, be it body, be it the mental health that you're in, be it, आपके आसपास जो लोग हैं, the people that you have kind of क्या कहते हैं उसको, chosen to be in your life. I think you have to understand and be content in that. You have to work hard. You have to thrive to become better than what you were yesterday. But I think you also need to be content. Yeah.
Amrita, we have seen you in many platforms.
Yes.
I think Marathi films, Hindi films, OTT. You are a producer also.
Yes.
So, wearing many caps on your head, and how the things are managing to you? I mean, wasn't there any
I feel that
hurdles?
every phase of your life in this career introduces you to a different new you actually. So for me, when there have been phases where it was all about dance, there have been phases where I've just sat home, writers को इकट्ठा किया है, कुछ लिखो यार, कुछ करते हैं यार. Then I have also produced a musical dance play. So that I've done. I'm taking that show to the US right now.
Yeah.
So I'm there in the States for about 20 days, and I'm doing around 8 to 10 shows and stuff like that. So I think the most amazing thing about this career is कि आपको बहुत freedom मिलता है. There is no one cap कि अच्छा अगर आप ये हो तो अभी आप यही हो. ये नहीं है. यहाँ पे आप जो चाहे आप कर सकते हो. And you can experiment a lot. Of course, you will fail, you will succeed. That is a part and parcel of the game. But to try out something different, I think this career gives you that amazing opportunities. Yeah.
Yeah. Amrita, दीज डेज आपने तो जाना सुना ही होगा हिंदी मराठी वर्सेस पर जो डिबेट चल रहा है, और आप उन अभिनेत्रियों में है कि सफलतापूर्वक हिंदी मराठी के साथ काम कर रही है, तो इस पर आपका क्या टेक है एंड व्हाट इज़ योर कंफर्ट जोन वर्किंग इन हिंदी और मराठी?
Now, this is like you're asking me about my mother and, a
मासी.
distant cousin. It's like that. But no, I think for everyone, be it a Maharashtrian, Bengali, a South Indian, for them, their mother language is always going to be something that runs in their blood.
It's close
And
to our
yes,
heart.
it is. So yes, of course, any you ask any Maharashtrian, any Marathi mulgi, any Marathi mulga, Marathi is something that is always going to be close to our heart. And for me, it is something that has given me my bread, butter. It has given me ओळख दिली आहे मला. It is as simple as that. But saying that, I think I respect my language a lot, and that is why I respect the other languages a lot. I think Maharashtrians are the last person who will kind of get into any kind of ugly situations, because uh, uh, we are very peaceful people. Mumbai is see na, it has always welcomed people with open arms, and people have come here, they have stayed here, they've made a career out of it, a career out of whatever fields that they've chosen. So Mumbai has always been like that, and I feel that Maharashtra has always been like that. They've always been open to people coming in and welcoming them with open arms. So I don't think that we are those people who would like to get into ugly situations. Of course, whatever is happening, I do not have to I don't want to take a side, but अगर आप मेरे घर आए हो यार, तो मैं चाहूँगी कि आप मुझे भी रिस्पेक्ट करो जैसे मैं आपका रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. और बहुत प्रेम से, बहुत प्यार से जो है ना, ये चीज़ें रिजॉल्व हो सकती है. आई थिंक चीज़ें कब कब रिजॉल्व नहीं होती, जब जब आप वो कहते हैं ना कि तुम्हें अडून राहता. I just feel respect yourself and respect the other person, and I think everything can be solved peacefully.
तो आप हिंदी में भी उतनी ही कंफर्टेबल हो जितनी मराठी में?
Definitely. See, as artists, we work everywhere. Tomorrow, if I work in a South Indian film, I will be comfortable over there because it's my work. अब आप जब किसी corporate office में जाते हो, तो there are people, ना, there are people from different areas of life and different regions and languages and religions and all. So, but you are there for work. You have to work there. You are answerable to your boss. You are answerable to your company. And I think work किसी भी किसी भी फील्ड में, फिर वो हमारी फील्ड हो या कॉर्पोरेट फील्ड हो या एविएशन फील्ड हो, आई थिंक काम की जगह एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ योर वर्क इज़ योर वर्शिप. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. वहाँ पे आप जाते हो, अपना काम करते हो, आप अपना चेक लेते हो और वापस आ जाते हो. तो उसमें यू कांट हैव दोज पर्सनल थिंग्स कमिंग इन. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत बोला जाता है, कीप योर पर्सनल लाइफ different and keep your professional life different. It is exactly that. I keep my professional life different and I keep my personal life different.
सुना है आप डायरी लिखती है, आपके घर पर कोई 10 बजे से पहले नहीं आ सकता. ये सब बातें सुनिए, क्या सच्चाई है
Of course, it is very, very essential because this career demands a lot. It takes a lot. It gives you a lot. And I think to find your center, meditation ho, yoga ho, to take care of your skin, to take care of yourself is a priority.
So for that matter, you have made a rule.
Yes, there is a discipline. There is not a rule, but there is a discipline. Like with Medimix, how they are loyal to their 18 herbs and how they are loyal to, kind of making skin clear and glowing. I think it is the discipline of all these years. That is why they are such a big brand. That is why they are such a huge successful brand.
Right.
I think discipline and loyalty is something that everybody needs to inculcate in their life to reach somewhere.
अमृता, सफलता मिलने के बाद कलाकार, स्टार, एक्टर सभी इनसिक्योर हो जाते हैं और टॉप पे पहुंचने के बाद थोड़ी सी लोनलीनेस आती है. क्या आप भी कभी इस भावनाओं से गुजरी है?
मैं आपको बताऊं, सिर्फ आर्टिस्ट के साथ ऐसा नहीं होता. नॉर्मल लोग भी बहुत लोनली फील करते हैं. जो कॉर्पोरेट में काम करते हैं, शायद एक ऑटो वाला हो या टैक्सी वाला हो, आपको क्या लगता है उनकी स्ट्रगल्स की वजह से वो लोनली नहीं फील करते क्या? ऑफ कोर्स करते. इट्स जस्ट दैट वी गेट अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू टॉक अबाउट इट. वी गेट अ प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ हम अपनी कहानियाँ शेयर कर सकते हैं, और हम इस इंटेंशन के साथ करते हैं सो दैट वी वांट दैट पीपल हु फील दैट नहीं यार सिर्फ मैं ही लोनली फील करता हूँ. तो वी वांट टू काइंड ऑफ एनी आर्टिस्ट, आई थिंक वो इस इंटेंशन के साथ करता है कि भाई आप इस स्ट्रगल में अकेले नहीं हो. हम लोग भी, आपको ऐसा लगता है इतना ग्लैमर है, इतना घूम रही है, इतना ब्रांड्स एंडोर्स कर रही है, सोशल मीडिया पे इतनी सारी फॉलोइंग है, तो शायद ये लोनली फील नहीं करती होंगी. लेकिन इफ़ यू आर ह्यूमन यू आर बाउंड टू फील लोनली. पेड़ भी लोनली फील करते, यू नो. देर आर प्लांट्स टुगेदर, देर आर प्लांट्स हु ग्रो वेल टुगेदर, there are plants who die when they are planted alone. तो भाई every living thing has the capacity to feel lonely, but हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों के सामने दिखते हैं, इसीलिए आपको लगता है कि अरे इनको सक्सेस मिल रहा है, अब ये लोनली है. नहीं, सक्सेस हर किसी को अपने अपने मुताबिक मिल ही रहा होता है. यू हैव योर ओन सक्सेस. आपकी परिभाषा अलग है सक्सेस की, मेरी परिभाषा अलग है. लाइक टुडे मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ नहीं यार मैंने तो इतना काम ही नहीं किया जितना इस एक्टर ने किया है या उस एक्ट्रेस ने किया है. ऐसा हो सकता है ना, बट नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. आई थिंक एनी काइंड ऑफ सक्सेस और फेलियर comes with its pros and cons, comes with its highs and lows, and I think as human beings you need to accept it.
अमृता, जब भी आपका नाम लेते हैं तो सभी कहते कि अमृता खानविलकर इज़ अ फैंटास्टिक डांसर. तो क्या आप इसको एडवांटेज के रूप में लेती है या फिर ये एक बैगेज हो जाता है, क्योंकि फिर इससे
यार मैं
potential-
मैं नाचते वक्त ना ये सब सोचती नहीं. When I dance, I just dance for myself. I dance for my audience. They enjoy those 10 minutes of whatever performance I'm doing, and that is about it. You know, I do not take baggage of anything. I am not an insecure person, and I'm not an insecure artist. जब मैं दो लोगों के साथ डांस करती हूँ, चार लोगों के साथ डांस करती हूँ, मुझे पता है कि यार मेरी ब्यूटी किस में, मेरा ऑडियंस जो है वो क्या एंजॉय करने वाला है. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज हाउ इट शुड बी.
Can you tell us your dance program which is happening in US and your upcoming projects?
So there are 2 web series that I am we've already shot it, और वो दोनों ही बहुत ही कमाल की OTTs पे आने वाले हैं. बट ऑफ कोर्स वी कांट टॉक अबाउट इट. एंड देयर इज़ दिस शो दैट आई एम डूइंग जो एक डांस म्यूजिकल है, और उसके कुछ 6 से 7 शोज़ होने वाले हैं इन डिफरेंट सिटीज़ इन द US.
Are you planning to write down your everything memoir? And
अरे नहीं, not right now. I still have a long way to go. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Viewers, hope you must have liked Amruta in our show, and do subscribe our channel.
Yes.
You would also say.
So please do like and subscribe this channel. I think, you know, this lovely person sitting beside me is such a lovely lady who comes with so much of warmth और इतने प्यारे सवाल पूछती है, तो बहुत मज़ा आता है इनके साथ इंटरव्यू करने का. So guys, all you have to do is subscribe to Real Meets Real with Pooja ji, and please subscribe to the channel and enjoy this interview.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Lovely
thank
meeting you.